how to delete your account on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your account on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and then just click this three, click settings, and here click account and click this one, delete my account. After you click on it, you can easily delete your account, and then just that's it. And that's how to delete your account on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.